Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 severe weather outlook. They're making minor changes to the outlook. There have been some minor changes to the outlook, so let's get right to it. But I will say that first off, this enhanced risk here, as well as the slight and the marginal up here, all remain the same. The risks up here remain the same. This marginal here remains largely the same, and I stress the word largely because as of the midday update, the SPC has added a second slight risk area for today, which encompasses far southeastern Kansas, far northeastern Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. And this marginal here remains largely the same, okay? So, cities in today's enhanced include Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Spearfish, South Dakota. Cities in today's slights include Springfield, Missouri, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Rapid City, South Dakota, Springdale, Arkansas, and Joplin, Missouri. Alright? And cities in the margin, which include Virginia Beach, Virginia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Richmond, Virginia. And now go to the tornado threat now to see if anything changed with that. There were some minor changes with the tornado risk. Hold on. Sorry, SPC. Alright, there we go. Sorry, the SPC was a little glitchy right there. The tornado threat. The tornado threat remains largely the same. This 2% tornado risk up here remains pretty much the same, pretty much. And for a large part, the tornado risk here remains largely the same. However, as of the midday update, the SPC has added a 5% tornado risk area today, and that covers far southeastern Kansas, far northeastern Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. Alright? So, that was the main change. One of the main changes for the tornado risk anyway was to add a 5% tornado risk area for today. So, taking the 5% tornado risk area today includes Springfield, Missouri, Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springdale, Arkansas, Joplin, Missouri, and Rogers, Arkansas. And the 2% tornado risk areas today include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Fort Smith, Arkansas, Bismarck, North Dakota, and Conway, Arkansas. Go to the wind threat now to see what changed with that. The wind threat remains largely the same, alright? The 5% wind risk here remains the same. The 5% wind risk here remains the same too. And for a large part, the wind threat up here for the most part remains largely the same. The black dust area pretty much remains the same, as well as the 30%, 15%, and 5% wind risk areas up here for a large part, except for the minor expansion of the 5% wind risk over here. A minor expansion would include central Wyoming, northeastern Utah, and northwest Colorado. But as of the midday update, the SPC has added a solid line area. There's a solid line area here, alright? The solid line area is level 2 of 3 on the wind intensity index, alright? The solid line area is where we have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 85 miles per hour today. Alright, the solid line area is the highest potential for wind gusts from thunderstorms to reach or exceed 85 miles per hour. Alright? And there could be a derecho today. There could be a derecho today, so you need to be on the lookout. There could be a derecho up here today. Alright? So again, the solid line area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 85 miles per hour today or higher. All right. All right, and we still have the black dashed area here. The black dashed area is the level 1 of 3. All right. So, black dashed area could see 74 mile per hour wind gusts or stronger. All right, and that could still go up to 85 miles per hour in the black dashed area. The black dashed area could still see wind gusts that go above 85 too. All right, so don't discount that, okay? Because there could still be 85 mile per hour gusts within the black dashed area. But again, the solid line area has the highest potential for 85 mile per hour wind gusts or stronger from thunderstorms. All right. The only city included in the solid line area today is Dickinson, North Dakota. Cities in the black dashed area today include Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Williston, North Dakota. All right. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Bismarck, North Dakota, Minot, North Dakota, Mandan, North Dakota, Dickinson, North Dakota, and Spearfish, South Dakota. The 50% wind risk today includes Rapid City, South Dakota, Gillette, Wyoming, Sheridan, Wyoming, Wilson, North Dakota, and Miles City, Montana. And the 5% wind risk today includes Virginia Beach, Virginia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norfolk, Virginia. Really? Come on. I don't know why this is being a little glitchy. Hold on. There we go. The 5% today includes... Oh, really? What are you doing? Sorry, guys. Hitting the 5% today include Virginia Beach, Virginia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and Richmond, Virginia. Now for the hail threat, see if that changed. There's really no change with the hail threat. There's really no change with the hail threat. So, there's really been no change with the hail threat for today. So, I'm not going to go over that because the hail threat remains the same. So, in summary, scattered to numerous thunderstorms with significant wind gusts, large hail, and isolated tornado threat are expected this afternoon and evening across parts of the northern plains. A couple of tornadoes and isolated damaging gusts are possible across the Ozarks region. So, that's the update I need to give. So, stay safe and infect areas today. No matter what risk you're in, alright? No matter what risk you're in, stay safe today. But especially be safe in these areas. Because these areas this could be a very dangerous afternoon and evening across these areas. So, especially be safe in these areas today. But again, stay safe in these areas too that I'm zooming in on. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook once it's updated. Take care.